Hello everyone, I am Sohrab from AgriMetSoft. Today I wanna show loops in NCL. One of the useful loops in NCL is do while. Okay, let's start it. I should write NCL and start the NCL in Segwin. For a do while, firstly you should define a variable. I define an integer variable with the name I. You should write do, then put a space and write while. Now, in front of while, you should write a logical expression like this. LT means less than, but LE means less than equal. I will write less than equal 10, for example. The loop will work up to the logical expression is false. If it is true, the loop will work. You can simply try it. You can write any things before do, end of do. I write print I, and you should change the value of the variable I, and at the end you should write end do. Now the code will run and will write all of the I variable from 0 up to 10, because I write the logical expression less than equal 10, will write 10. The 10 is the last one. Okay, this is 9 and 10. All right, that's finished. And thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Bye.